Hello, today I'm going to be walking you through the diabetes prediction app, its user manual, and the code itself, the app itself. So, starting with the user manual, we're going to be covering myself, acknowledgements, experience with Clever, about the app itself, how to use the app, and my contact information. About myself, I'm Saif Rashid, age 17. I'm from Karachi, Pakistan, and I reside in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. I'm a pre-medical student studying in A2 levels. Looking up to my parents, I've always wanted to be a doctor like them. I have had many athletic, arts, and curricular achievements over the last few years. Growing up, I was always wanted to help others, especially the ones in need. Pursuing my academic prowess in the medical field and beginning AI along with it gives me an optimistic and creative approach to use the knowledge that I gained from both together for the use of others and expanding my own knowledge and experience. Acknowledgements. Throughout my journey with Clever, I've learned a lot over the course of a couple of months. It is all due to my father enrolling me in the internship that I was given the chance to learn from such enthusiastic mentors such as Mr. Abhishek and Mr. Kuldeep. I appreciate their efforts along with the staff at Clever, and they've had a lot of patience with not just myself, but the other students as well. Experience with Clever. As a pre-medical student, I was doubtful of learning AI as I had no previous background on computer sciences. Beginning the course cleared my doubts quickly thanks to the help of great teachers Mr. Kuldeep and Mr. Abhishek. Learning and proceeding with the internship has been enjoyable and enthusiastic. I've earned Rockstar badges for attentiveness and interaction. I see myself keeping the same attitude towards the learning process. Having the opportunity to learn under a named institute and help from mentors has been really joyful. It has opened a new door for possibilities. I look forward to the completion of the internship and moving forward with all that I've learned. Now, beginning about the app itself. It's a diabetes prediction app, and as the name implies, the app will be used to predict if the user has diabetes. My aim for making this app is to start a journey on making apps that will extend the reach of AI to help those who have limited accessibility to tests or diagnosis. The app uses collected data from Indian hospitals to predict diabetes. How to use the app. After opening the app, provide correct information within the spaces provided. It's going to make more sense once I have opened the app. Note that all of the values are going to be numerical values. The pregnancy input is it's either going to be 1 or 0. The postcode is can be found by googling what is the postcode of where I reside. And on the next line, you can contact me in any of the information provided. Now, beginning with the code itself, I have merged the front end and back end already. And after running this page is going to show up. So beginning with a random example, we're gonna put in random values. Obviously, these values don't make sense, but it is just to give you an example. And once you've inputted, you have put your values in, you can click the orange button that says prediction for diabetes. And considering the abnormal numbers that I've put in, it's clear that I have diabetes. Thank you so much for having me. And this is the diabetes prediction app.